And brake, they'll pull up and turn through a quarter clover until they're going away from us, and then watch for them rolling through 90 degrees. There they go, and then as they go over the top, as Miles calling the brake, blades and their fan brake. Now the pairs, the two end ones should be going up into Lomsha. As they get up into the vertical, the one nearest to us is facing him. Watch for the mirror split. And there's the mirror split, and watch as they go into the twin tumbles.
Door gids, hoogpot heeft geen hoogpot en anders een beetje moeilijk om volgen.
Zeer niet.
Komt nog een beetje hard volgen van binnen.
Ja, is dat, ja.
Nu krijg je toch een duidelijker beeld, dames en heren, van de shoot van het vak van deze bal.
Auch in der modifizierten Version fürs Militär.
Ja, ich war mir klar, dass das Militär dran ist.
Also zu Hause ein paar Bilder voll.
Hinten dran.
Gibt den Ono mit.
Look at the shape of that wingsuit. See the EF-18 of the Spanish Air Force. I think with a bit of luck this is going to be his full show, because his full show does start with a loop. And as he comes back towards us, it will be an inverted pass. There he is upside down, he being Captain Andrew Ruiz del Campo. Zeer korte bocht naar Marken, uitvoeren. Nee, dat mag niet. So he's probably pulling 8 or 9 G there. His weight is 8 or 9 times its normal amount. A ton or so of weight pushing him down into the seat. He's not doing his full show because there should have been a square loop in there and that wasn't. Well, maybe he's going to do it now. His square loop, making the sides. Power coming off, 2 engines on this aircraft, 2 General Electric.
Slow flight, de trage doorvlucht.
So this is 35 degrees angle of attack. That's the angle between the oncoming air and the fore and aft axis of the aircraft. Pilot can't see where he's going. This is all controlled by the fly-by-wire systems of the aircraft. is the figure of 8 completed. Now I think, but I could be proved wrong, the next time we see him he'll have his refueling probe out, and the hook can be used for carrier landings out at the back of the aircraft. Not on this cast.
Het begint zoals een loop, aankomen als snelheid ongeveer 5,5 tot 6 G omhoog. Deze doorvlucht 30.
So here he is with the refueling probe out and also the wheels down and also the hook at the back. Something very hot called an Edge 540 in the States, but it couldn't come over, so she's